One of the things you may notice is that all of the objects on the page are called actors. So our helicopter here is an actor and our buttons are actors. They're just objects, they're just pictures on the page. However, the way that they're placed on the page means some go in front of others and some go behind. And this is all to do with layering. We need to make sure that our helicopter flies behind our buttons so that it doesn't get in the way of the buttons. And the way to do this is to go to the helicopter itself, click on the code button, which is next to it, click on the three dots and choose properties. And we're going to do this for each of the items. The properties, our helicopter is on a layer 2, which means if you imagine a flat table, the helicopter is on the second layer. So we can change that if we want to layer 1, that's just fine, as long as we make sure each of the buttons is layer 0. So you click the three dots for each item, and there is the problem. It was layer 2. This button, three dots, properties, layer 0. That one was layer 4. That's why it was at the top. And if we check this one and properties, make sure that is layer 0 as well. Now when we go back to the scene view, by clicking on the little mountains at the top, our helicopter will go in front of all the buttons because I've made the helicopter layer 0, layer 1, and the buttons layer 0. What you could choose to do yourself is to make sure the helicopter goes behind the buttons, which would mean you would need to make sure the buttons are a higher number than the helicopter itself. That's your choice how you set that up.